Welcome to the fifth model titled Blockchain Scalability Challenge. So let's start with the blockchain trilemma. The blockchain trilemma was coined by an Ethereum co-founder, Vitalik Buterin. It refers to the trade-off between three critical aspects of blockchain technology. So it's security, scalability, and decentralization. So blockchain can only handle a limited number of transactions per second. The Bitcoin network, for example, can process around 7 transactions per second. If blockchain technology is to be adopted globally, it should be able to handle much more data and at faster speeds so that more people can use the network without it becoming too slow or expensive to use. However, the fundamental design of many decentralized networks means that increasing scalability tends to weaken decentralization or security. This is what's known as the blockchain trilemma. Developers looking to solve this problem are experimenting with different consensus mechanisms and scalability solutions such as sharding, sidechains, and state channels. So in the bull market periods, blockchain networks tend to congest. This results in higher transaction gas prices, network errors, transaction timeouts, or even blockchain downtime. Blockchain scaling is a long time issue being debated and argued. There are strong opinions on different approaches. This is one of the reasons Bitcoin forked into Bitcoin Cash. The main Bitcoin Cash argument was to increase the size of the blocks and shorten block time to 2.5 minutes. So the community supporting both sides did not find a common ground, so the fork happened. Today, Bitcoin is scaled via parallel networks such as a Lightning Network. The Lightning Network is the second layer of the Bitcoin blockchain, which serves to speed up transaction times and decrease network congestion. It is a technological solution designed to solve problems associated with Bitcoin blockchain by introducing off-chain transactions. In the Ethereum ecosystem, scaling was approached from a modular model, enabling L2s and Rollups to remove computation and other tasks from the L1 itself. They batch transactions together and then send the output to Ethereum, sourcing security from the L1 itself. The primary role of the L1 main chains is to maintain overall security, confirm batch transaction records, and solve disputes. Layer 2 refers to a network or technology that operates on top of an underlying blockchain protocol to improve its scalability and efficiency. As Bitcoin Layer 2 is Lightning Network, Ethereum Layer 2s are ZK Sync, Arbitrum, and others. So ZK Rollup strictly inherits the security guaranteed by an underlying L1. Validators can never corrupt the state or steal funds. Users can always retrieve the funds from a ZK Rollup smart contract, even if validators stop cooperating because the data is available. Neither users nor a single trusted third party needs to be online to monitor ZK Rollup blocks in order to prevent fraud. Sidechains are independent blockchains used for layer 1 scaling. Sidechains use an independent consensus mechanism to that of the original chain, which can be optimized for speed, scalability, efficiency. Examples are Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and others.